Notion communication honest review. Watch before using. Most people get Notion wrong. They assume it's just for note-taking. The surprising truth about Notion is its versatility as a communication and collaboration platform, and you won't believe how much it can streamline team workflows. Here's how it works. Notion allows teams to create shared workspaces with pages, databases, calendars, and task boards. Communication happens directly on pages via comments, mentions, and collaborative editing, reducing the need for constant email threads or chat apps. For example, a marketing team can manage a content calendar, attach documents, and assign tasks all on one page while discussing ideas in real time. Most people get this wrong. They assume Slack or email is still needed, but Notion integrates messaging and project management in one platform. Additional features include templates for projects, databases for client or sales tracking, and integrations with apps like Slack, Google Drive, and Figma. Users also benefit from version control and offline access for uninterrupted productivity. However, there are considerations. Notion can feel overwhelming for new users, and some advanced features require learning time. Most people assume setup is instant. It takes organization to structure workspaces effectively. In conclusion, Notion is ideal for teams seeking centralized collaboration, task management, and communication. Its flexibility and integration options make it more than just a note-taking tool. It's a productivity hub. Subscribe now for more honest reviews of communication and productivity software.